Greetings. Welcome to Monday Morning Motivation episode number 70. And the topic for today is power of words. Let me give you 3 pointers. Before your day decides what kind of day it's going to be, you already did the first words from your mouth. Think about it. Oh, another Monday. Let's make this week great. Lead to completely two different days. Two sentence, two different days. Same morning, same coffee, totally different outcome. Because your brain quietly believes the script you hand it to the brain. So this morning, let's start with a good one. Point 2, self-talk matters the most. And the most important words you say all day, they are the ones you say to yourself. Swap, I have to I get to. Swap, I'm stuck, to I'm figuring it out. The running commentary in your head is not a background noise. It slowly becomes your reality. Make it a voice that is very positive, that is very doable. Point number 3. One sentence can change somebody's life for the week. Because your one sentence, when it is real and genuine, can change somebody's entire week. Hey, I appreciate what you did. Thank you. This sentence costs you nothing, but it can carry a person for days. So Monday is a perfect day to genuinely appreciate somebody and lift them. Be that person today. So to summarize, my friends, words set the tone, self-talk matters the most. One sentence can change somebody's life for their entire week. So be very careful what you speak. And what you think becomes your words. So be careful about your thoughts, and words have power. Believe that and have a great day. Thank you.